Imam Ghazali in his autobiography says, you cannot walk down the path towards Allah unless you have stabilized your ma'ash. So the discussion went on. I said, you can't thrive in path of Allah unless first you have stabilized yourself professionally. Following professional stabilization comes you have stabilized yourself financially. You cannot walk down the path of Allah once you have stabilized yourself professionally, once you have stabilized yourself financially, then you have to stabilize yourself socially. So people know this is Mahmoud. So people know this is cardiothoracic surgeon. So people know this is a hotelier. So people know this is Imam Sadiq. So people know this is Mu'min. Once you have stabilized yourself socially, only then you can strive in the path of Allah. Am I wrong?